Welcome to 887 South Dyer Circle.
This is a master-crafted home just completed on nearly half an acre at low elevation. This home has 5,800 square feet. This architectural masterpiece features hydronic in-floor heating and cooling throughout for flawless year-round comfort. The exceptional quality throughout is the hallmark of premier general contractor James Roberts. His signature precision is evident in every single detail, from the exquisite stonework to the integrated Vantage expandable lighting and automation system. With 6 bedrooms, a spacious upper loft, and a completely gated and fenced yard, this estate offers unparalleled privacy and peace of mind on nearly half an acre, all while sitting just blocks from the vibrant center of Incline Village.
Cheers to the lake life.